The cryptocurrency market is a roller coaster. Right now, we are on a downward slope. Prices are dropping. Many investors are worried. This is called a bear market. It is a time for caution. Understanding the market is key. We need to analyze the trends. We need to identify support levels. These are price points where buying pressure is strong. We also need to watch resistance levels. These are points where selling pressure is high. Bitcoin is the leader. When Bitcoin falls, other cryptos usually follow. But each coin has unique factors. Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Chainlink each have their own charts and trends. Macroeconomics also plays a role. The US stock market is connected to crypto. When the stock market falls, crypto often does too. This is important to remember. The good news: bear markets don't last forever. There are ways to profit. We'll explore these strategies. We'll discuss staying informed and managing risk. Let's dive in. Bitcoin is the king of crypto. It sets the tone for the market. Right now, Bitcoin is struggling. The charts tell a story. The story is not good. The supertrend indicator is flashing red. This is a bearish signal. It suggests the downtrend will continue. The MACD, another technical tool, confirms this. It recently had a bearish crossover. This is a sign of weakness. Support and resistance levels are crucial. Bitcoin has support around $70,000. This is a price level where buyers might step in, but if Bitcoin breaks below this level, watch out, the next stop could be much lower. Resistance is strong around $86,000. This is a price ceiling. Bitcoin needs to break through this ceiling to turn bullish. Until then, the bears are in control. Ethereum is the second largest cryptocurrency. It is also in a bear market. The long-term trend is down, but there are some glimmers of hope. Ethereum has strong support around $1,520. This level has held up so far. If buyers can defend this level, a rebound is possible. However, if this support breaks, the price could drop significantly. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is a momentum indicator. Ethereum's RSI is oversold. This means the price has fallen too far, too fast. An oversold RSI can signal a bounce, but it's not a guarantee. Section 4: Solana, XRP, and Chainlink caught in the downtrend. Solana, XRP, and Chainlink are all feeling the pain. These altcoins are following Bitcoin's lead. They have all broken below key support levels. Solana recently broke down below $120. This was a major support level. The next target for Solana is around $90. This is a significant drop. XRP is also struggling. It broke below support around $1.95. The next support level is at $1.40. This is a long way down. Chainlink is targeting $10. This is a bearish target. The broken support at $12.70 is now acting as resistance. This makes it harder for Chainlink to rally. Section 5: The Macro Storm Crypto and the Stock Market Tango. The cryptocurrency market doesn't exist in a vacuum. It is influenced by the global economy. Right now, the global economy is shaky. This is bad news for crypto. The US stock market is closely correlated with crypto. When the stock market falls, crypto often follows. This is because investors see both assets as risky. In times of uncertainty, they sell both. Inflation is another factor. When inflation is high, central banks raise interest rates. This makes it more expensive to borrow money. This can slow down the economy and hurt risk assets like crypto. Section 6: Bear Market. Playbook: Strategies for Profit. Bear markets are scary, but they don't have to be disastrous. There are ways to protect your capital and even profit. Here are some strategies. First, shorting. This involves betting against an asset. You profit when the price goes down. This is a risky strategy, but it can be profitable in a bear market. Second, holding stablecoins. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies pegged to the US dollar. They offer stability during market volatility. Third, dollar cost averaging, or DCA. This involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. This reduces the impact of market volatility. And finally, learning and researching. Bear markets are a great time to learn, study trading strategies, research new projects, be ready for the next bull market. Section 7. Weathering the crypto winter, patience and perspective. Bear markets are a natural part of the cycle. They are painful, but they don't last forever. The key is to stay calm and focus on the long term. Don't panic sell. Emotional decisions are rarely good decisions. Stick to your investment plan. If you don't have a plan, create one. Remember why you invested in crypto in the first place. Was it the technology, the potential, the community? These things haven't changed. Bear markets are an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to come back stronger. Stay informed, stay patient, and stay focused. The future of crypto is bright.